This is hashtag the proposal, sir.
Our beloved President, sir, humihiling po ako ng 3 minuto lang po sa ngalan ng pag-ibig, sir. I would like to grab this very rare opportunity and perfect timing, sir. Di lingid sa kaalaman ng nakakarami, sir, na yung ID-camp niyo po, sir. Police Senior Inspector Alnisa Kinang is my girlfriend for 5 years and 10 months already, sir. Supposedly, kakasal kami this month, sir, but for some reasons, na-cancel yung kasal, sir. Gaway. Nagkaiwalay, pero we're a bit okay now, sir. But ganun pa man, sir, I'm thankful. Talagang everything happens for a reason. Dahil had it been na kinasal tayo, hindi mangyayari to na magkaroon ako, na makapag-propose ako sa'yo before the President of the Republic and the viewing public throughout the world. Kaya inugot ko lahat ng lakas ng loob sa katawan ko para gawin to. Nangalan ng pag-ibig, sir. Mamiya Alnisa sa Ilama Kinang. When you left me, I realized na for the 5 years and 10 months that we've been together, narealize ko marami akong pagkukulang as your boyfriend. But don't you worry, pakasalan mo lang ako. I still have forever para bumawi as your husband.
Someone who walks away so easily. I'm here to stay and make the difference that I can make. Our differences, they do a lot to teach us how to use the tools and gifts we got here. We got a lot at stake. And in the end, you're still my friend. At least we did intend for us to work. We didn't break, we didn't burn. We had to learn how to bend without the world caving in. I had to learn what I got and what I'm not, and who I am.